doing so far?
Like I've stepped outside of my comfort zone, which I should. It's like walking up a muddy, slippery dip through sharp trees. Lyrebird. They're actually fairly endangered. So the old lyrebird mimics the sound of just about everything in the forest. You can see how wild and remote and majestic this country is that we're into. Final push up to Stinson remote campsite, then we descend. And here we are at the Stinson's remote campsite. Welcome to the Stinsons. Here lies James Westray. So he obviously left the wreck heading north down this range that we've just come down, and somewhere upstream here he's fallen over a waterfall and broken his ankle, and allegedly Bernard O'Reilly could see roughly where this would have been. He's crawled for about a mile, and Bernard O'Reilly found him somewhere nearby to here up against a rock with a cigarette in his hand, and unfortunately he was dead. So one of this national park's great tragedies.